Welcome to our channel. Keeping your Roku firmware updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Here's the simple way to update your device. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and press the home button on your remote to go to the main screen. Step 2. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. Step 3. Navigate to System in the Settings menu. Step 4. Select System Update from the System options. This shows your current software version and when it was last updated. Step 5. Click on Check Now to manually search for available firmware updates. Step 6. If an update is available, Roku will automatically begin downloading it. Ensure your device stays connected to the internet. Step 7. Wait while the update downloads and installs. Your Roku will restart automatically during this process. Step 8. After the restart, verify that your Roku is running the latest firmware version by checking the system update screen again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.